India squad announcement press conference for Ireland England series live updates. Shreyas Iyer named India T20 captain Vaibhav Suryavanshi earns maiden call-up. Rajat Patidar left out of India T20 squad despite leading Royal Challengers Bengaluru to back-to-back IPL titles and enjoying a strong individual season. Rajat Patidar has not found a place in India's T20 squad. Patidar had an impressive IPL 2026 campaign, scoring 501 runs in 15 matches at an average of 41.75 and a strike rate of 192. His explosive batting and calm leadership were key factors in RCB's success. However, the selector have opted to look beyond him in the shortest format for now, leaving fans surprised at this omission given his consistent performances. Jasprit Bumrah rested for T20, named in Asian Games squad. India's lead pacer Jasprit Bumrah has been rested from the upcoming T20 series against Ireland and England as part of workload management. However, the fast bowler has been included in the squad for the 2026 Asian Games, underlining his importance in India's multi-event plans. The decision suggests the team management is carefully managing Bumrah's fitness, ensuring he remains fresh for key tournaments. Yashasvi Jaiswal replaces injured Virat Kohli for Afghanistan ODI series. India have announced a late change to the ODI squad for the upcoming series against Afghanistan, with Virat Kohli ruled out due to a hamstring injury. In his place, young opener Yashasvi Jaiswal has been drafted into the squad. No place for Hardik Pandya. One of the biggest surprises from India's squad announcement is the absence of Hardik Pandya. The star all-rounder has not been selected in any of the squads announced today. Chief Selector Ajit Agarkar explained that Hardik is currently being considered primarily for ODI cricket, while the selector wanted to give opportunities to younger all-rounder Nitish Kumar Reddy appears to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of that approach after his impressive IPL 2026 season. Fitness could also have played a role in the decision, with Hardik's workload and long-term management likely being factors in the selector's thinking. Suryakumar Yadav dropped as India begin new 20 era. One of the biggest talking points from India's latest T20 squad announcement is the absence of Suryakumar Yadav. The star batter has not only lost the captaincy but has also been left out of the squad entirely. The decision marks a significant shift in India's T20 setup. Suryakumar Yadav was a key figure in India's T20 World Cup winning campaign. However, the selectors have now opted for a new direction, handing leadership responsibilities to Shreyas Iyer. India named Asian Games squad: Shreyas Iyer, Sanju Samson, Ishan Kishan, Shivam Dube, Tilak Verma, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Varun Chakravarti, Ravi Bishnoi, Harshit Rana, Arshdeep Singh, Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Jasprit Bumrah. India have announced their squad for the upcoming T20 series against Ireland and England, with Shreyas Iyer set to lead the side and Tilak Verma named a vice captain. The biggest talking point is the inclusion of teenage sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who has been rewarded for his exceptional IPL 2026 season. The squad also features several IPL standouts, including Nitish Kumar Reddy, Prince Yadav and Harshit Rana. Experienced names such as Sanju Samson, Ishan Kishan, Akshar Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Arshdeep Singh are also part of the squad as India begin preparation for the next phase of their T20 journey. With a blend of youth and experience, the selectors have backed several in-form performers while handling Suryavanshi a chance to make his mark on the international stage. India squad versus Ireland England: Shreyas Iyer, Abhishek Sharma, Sanju Samson, Ishan Kishan, Shivam Dube, Tilak Verma, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Varun Chakravarti, Ravi Bishnoi, Mohammad Siraj, Harshit Rana, Arshdeep Singh, Prince Yadav, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Shreyas Iyer, new India T20 captain Vaibhav Suryavanshi earns medal call-up. India's T20 squad has a new leader and an exciting new face. Shreyas Iyer has been appointed captain for the upcoming T20 series against Ireland and England, marking a major milestone in his international career. The selectors have also handed a maiden call-up to teenage sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi following his outstanding IPL 2026 campaign. Press conference underway. The much anticipated press conference to announce India's squad has officially begun. The selectors are set to reveal the teams for the T20 series against Ireland and England, the 2026 Asian Games and the India A Tour of Sri Lanka. Shreyas Iyer reportedly joined selection meeting virtually. As the countdown to India's squad announcement continues, reports suggest that Shreyas Iyer has virtually attended the selection meeting. Squad announcement moments away. The wait is almost over. India's India's squad for the upcoming Ireland and England T20 series, the 2026 Asian Games, and the India A tour of Sri Lanka are set to be announced in just a few minutes. India set to announce squads for busy international season. The India selectors are set for a busy day as multiple squads are expected to be announced at the BCCI headquarters. Teams will be named for the two-match T20 series against Ireland, the five-match T20 series against England, the 2026 Asian Games in Japan, and India two multi-day matches in Sri Lanka. The announcement comes on the back of IPL 2026, where several players hoping their performance in the tournament have strengthened their chances of selection. The T20 squad for Ireland and England